2018 Genesis G80 5.0. Look at this beast. Beautiful car. Let me show you guys what we've done. Secondary cats, there. Installed a custom H-pipe. We build these in-house, guys. So if you need them, we can build them for you right there. Instead of the 2 resonators, then we took the 2 mufflers off and installed 2 Borla ProXSs. One there and one there. Offset center for your viewing pleasure. And there's the 2 mufflers that were on it, and there's the 2 resonators that were on it. We cut them off and replaced them. A lot better weight reduction. There it is. Stay tuned, guys. We're going to let you guys hear it. Hope you guys like it. And if you guys don't know, make sure you subscribe. And we are located in beautiful Nashville, Tennessee for your viewing pleasure. Come and see us. Hyundai Genesis G80. Oh, it's deep. Give it gas. Another thing you can do is we can put 2 high-flow cats. Okay. Instead of the secondary, so you get a little bit louder. Yeah.
I want somewhere you can hear it.
I can do those.
They said like you
Yeah. No, this is clean. This is classy. That's a classy sound for it. That you know it has something under there, but nothing crazy. Again. Your sound decibels, go ahead. Right at 89, so 90. Again. Go ahead and back it out. If you guys don't know, we are located in beautiful Nashville, Tennessee. Today's a little bit hot. We're having a heat wave, but it's okay. We're still surviving, guys. Anyways, we're right down the street from Skyline Hospital on Dickerson Pike. Come and see us. There's our phone number, and there's our beautiful shop. Again. Again. Perfect. Let you guys hear on the inside. Genesis G80 all-wheel drive. We just did some Borla ProXSs on the back, deleted the mid, and installed an H-pipe. Deepen the tone, keep it clean. What's crazy is these are hidden, man. They're 5.0s. 5.0 V8. So they're fun to drive. You lower it a little bit, put some nice wheels on it, and that's all you need, really. Clean looking cars. Perfect. Enjoy, guys.